Hello guys, welcome back to Donut Delicacy by Shaida Master. Today we are going to make guilt-free oat cake, a perfect sweet dish that doesn't take a toll on your health. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share and comment.
You're watching Shaida's Master Recipes.
We start by adding our star ingredient, that is 1 cup oats, and then half a cup of desiccated coconut. Since we are making a guilt-free cake, we add whole wheat flour instead of all-purpose flour. And to add sweetness to our cake, we add half a cup of jaggery. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Combine everything together. Take a handful of chopped almonds and raisins, mix it together, then add half of it into the batter and keep the rest for the topping. Further, take half a cup of curd, 1/4 cup of water, mix it together and then add it into the cake mix. Keep adding the curd mix in parts and then gently mix the batter. And lastly, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is the consistency we are looking for, which is thicker than the usual cake batter. Let the batter rest for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Line the cake tray with butter paper and pour the batter into it. Spread it evenly using a spatula. Add rest of the raisins and almonds as toppings. Also top it with dark chocolate curls or choco chips. Bake it for 30 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Your guilt-free oats cake is ready for you to dig in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section which other guilt-free recipe you would like to see next. Subscribe by clicking over here and watch these videos to take your cooking and baking experience to next level.